If you need to cancel your Trip.com subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Trip.com website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found in the profile or menu section of the website or app. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Membership. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Within the subscription details, there should be an option to cancel your subscription. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After initiating the cancellation, you may receive a confirmation message or email. Ensure you check for this confirmation to verify that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Trip.com subscription. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.